the big international story this week, and I've been wanting to say these words all day, to German bird news.
Yes, thank you. Bring it.
Well, Kitty, you'll be happy. Pigeons in Germany are being tricked into taking the contraceptive pill to reduce the population. Male pigeons are complaining, saying it feels better without it. Also, this news really ruins my chances of fathering the first human-bird hybrid.
No, it doesn't. You can a goose. Don't give up so easy. Come on.
All right, I'll stay strong. I suppose it's funny news for everyone except me, who's just bought shares in a tiny bird condom company. That money's gone.